To build a startup wiki in Obsidian, create 3 folders in your vault: Company, Documentation, and Resources. Open your preferred vault, go to the File Explorer sidebar, and right-click to create those 3 new folders. The Company folder will hold general company info and your main homepage. Documentation will store all your procedures and guides, and Resources will collect templates and reference materials. This 3-folder structure gives you a clean, scalable foundation that will keep your knowledge base organized as your startup grows, without overwhelming you from the start. Inside the Company folder, create a new note called Startup Wiki. This is your homepage, the central navigation page everyone will land on. Add a simple structure with a heading for company overview, mission, vision, departments, important documentation, quick links, and recent updates. Fill in the blanks as you go. Keep it sparse at first, just a few bullet points under each section. The goal here is not to write a novel, but to give anyone a quick snapshot of what the company does and where to find the key stuff. Use this note as the command center for your entire wiki. Now create separate notes for important company topics inside that same company folder. Think about company background, team info, products or services, business policies, and any recent announcements. Keep each topic in its own note. That makes the wiki easier to navigate and maintain down the road. For example, instead of one giant note with everything, you'll have a note called Team Directory, another called Product Overview, and another called Company Policies. This way, when someone needs to find the mission statement, they don't have to scroll through a wall of text about hiring policies. Next, move to the Documentation folder. This is where you'll store all your internal documentation, standard operating procedures, employee guides, product documentation, internal workflows, technical docs, anything procedural. The key is keeping everything in one location so team members always know where to look. Inside this folder, create a note called Documentation Index. Structure it with headings for operations, product documentation, team guides, policies, and other documentations. This index acts as a directory. Instead of digging through folders, anyone can start here and quickly navigate to the exact document they need. Fill in each section with internal links as you build out your documentations. Now create the Resources folder and inside it a note called Resource Library. Structure it with headings for templates, reference documents, useful links, learning resources, and any other category that makes sense for your team. This is where you'll store things like onboarding checklists, meeting templates, style guides, recommended tools, and external references. The resource library gives employees a single place to grab what they need instead of hunting through email attachments or shared drives. The real power of Obsidian for a startup wiki comes from internal links. Connect your startup wiki homepage to the documentation index and the resource library. Then link from the documentation index to specific documentation notes, and from the resource library to individual resource notes. Link related company notes together, for example, from a team directory note. Link to the onboarding guide in documentation. Every time you create a note, think about what other notes it connects to and add those links. This creates a connected knowledge base where users can move naturally between related topics, just like clicking from one Wikipedia page to another. Add properties to your wiki notes for better organization. Useful properties include department, category, owner, status, last updated, and version. Properties are metadata fields you can add at the top of any note in Obsidian. They make it much easier to filter and sort your documentation as the wiki grows. For example, you can tag a document with status, tokens, draft, or owner, tokens, marketing, and later search or sort by those fields. This keeps your wiki manageable even when you have dozens of notes. Tags are another powerful organizational tool. Use tags like #company, #operations, #product, #HR, #marketing, #finance, or whatever categories fit your startup. Add 2 or 3 relevant tags to each note. Tags and properties work together. Properties are structured metadata like dates and owners, while tags are more flexible categories for filtering. You can search by tag in Obsidian's Quick Switcher, or use the tag pane to see all notes with a specific tag, which makes finding information incredibly fast. Finally, establish a simple workflow for maintaining your wiki. When you need to update company information, edit the Startup Wiki homepage. For detailed documentation, create or update notes inside the documentation folder. For supporting materials like templates and references, add them to the resource library. Set a regular schedule, maybe once a month or once a quarter, to review your documentation and mark outdated notes for archiving. This keeps the wiki accurate and prevents it from becoming a graveyard of old information. As your startup grows, you can add new folders and notes without changing the core structure, making this system scalable from a 3-person team to 100. You now have a fully functional startup wiki in Obsidian, a centralized knowledge system where company information, documentation, and resources are all connected and easy to find. New team members can quickly learn about the company and locate important documents. Your team stops wasting time hunting through emails, and your knowledge base grows right alongside your business. For your next step, consider adding a daily or weekly review note that links back to the Startup Wiki homepage. And if you found this useful, save the video or bookmark the steps so you can come back whenever you need to expand your wiki.